Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and here's a neat little exercise to make things look like they're going in front of and in back of. So I just drew a squiggly line, kind of like a coil spring, I guess you'd say it. I'm actually going to take away that note right there and make it a little more symmetrical. But then I'm going to go down to my pen tool, and I'm going to make this a 1/2 inch line. Then I'm going to go to Object and convert the outline to an object, because then I can left click, right click, and get an outline. Now I used a 1/2 inch line, so I'm going to use a 1/2 inch rectangle, because that way I don't have to convert it to an outline. It's already an outline. Now I'm going to put it down there. I'm actually going to expand a little bit. And then you just kind of start using the Smart Fill tool and just imagine what it would look like. So grab the Smart Fill tool. It's on red, so we're going to start on red. We're going to go in front of that one, but we're going to go behind that one. So since we went behind that one, we'll go in front of that one. So we're just leaving every other one open. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Once you kind of get the hang of it. And then take another color, doesn't matter what color. We'll make it a blue. And all you have to do really is fill in the blocks that are showing. And then fill in both sides. Whoop, I got both sides. Well, you have to do each one of these individually. But this is a good exercise in making stuff look like it goes between. So let's do this before I show it off. Let's select it all and let's left click no outline. So now it's got no outline, it's just got color. So the red bar looks like it's going through those hoops, much like a spiral paper notebook. Same thing here, just make you some lines and just color the ones you don't, and the colors match perfectly. You can't tell if you were going to print that. That would come out good. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.